the Greenfield and how their journey is much, much different than the Brownfield. The Brownfield, they have legacy technology, they have technical debt, they have to figure out how they handle that. So when I was talking about having a business strategy, that's the most important thing. You have to have a plan for, here's what we have, let's evaluate it, figure out what the weak links are, and start the rip and replace for, those key components. It's not the full enterprise thing. It's only the ones that we need to actually touch. So this is like deploying an edge box and then having a technology that supports, the consumption of this high resolution data, having the historians that are able to also store this information at the verbosity that your business is requiring. But at the end of the day, they end up in the same place. And that's the most important thing to think about, is they're going to end up in the same place. It's just how you get there is going to be drastically different. How you got this job is drastically different than how I got this job. Even when we first started, you had a different path. I had a completely different path, but we all ended up in the same place. And as long as you have that vision of this is where we need our business to be and here is why, then the goals will align at the end.